Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to some basic smooth and shadow fights arena. It's perfect for beginners. Alright, let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. You can tap the right button to step forward and the left button to step backwards. Double tap right to hop forward and double left to hop backward, like this. And you can also perform moves like a jump, jump forward, jump backward, and even roll forward, roll backwards using these controls. And you can also make a bypass move. Just double tap right or left when you're near the opponent, like this. Double tap, like this. Then you can combine it with the punch button to perform a basic attacks, like a spinning attack, upper attack, lower attack, special attacks, and then heavy attacks. You can also perform a grab move by combining the right or left buttons and punch buttons, like this. Like this. Like this. You can also make attack with combine it with kick buttons, like this. You can also make a jump wall by tapping the left or right 4 times when you're near at the wall, like this. Like this. Okay, maybe that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.